Hello students, in this lesson we will start the part second of the 11th class economics. Right from now the lessons onwards which we are going to deliver here will be about Indian economy. The part second of the 11th class economics is about Indian economy right from independence and structure of the Indian economy before independence. First of all, our first lesson is related with the Indian economy on the eve of independence. What was the state of Indian economy at the time of independence? So the theme of this lesson is to provide the preliminary and primary information to the students of class 11th about the state of Indian economy on the eve of independence or at the time of independence. What was the state of Indian economy, structure of Indian economy at the time of independence when British left India free and they left to England? What type of economy they left to the Indians? What type of country they left to the Indians? The chapters describe the chapters which we are going to discuss, it will describe the Indian economy as we inherited, as we received it from British in 1947. Was Indian economy a stagnant economy? Was it in the form of stagnation? Or was Indian economy a vibrant economy, a good economy, a progressive economy? Was it a backward economy or a developing economy, or was it a developing economy which Britishers left for us? So these are some of the questions which we will discuss. The students are introduced the subject matter of Indian economic development. The chapters which we discuss addresses these questions. That is the questions which we discussed right now, just now, that the questions which we have to answer in the coming lessons, that was Indian economy a stagnant or stagnant was in the Indian economy stagnation, or was it a vibrant economy, was it a backward economy, was it a developing economy, or was it a developed economy? Thus, the chapters which we will discuss about the Indian economy at the time of independence are: what was the state of agriculture sector at the time of independence? What was the state of industrial sector at the time of independence? What was the state of India's foreign trade under British rule? What was the demographic profile during the British rule? And what was the occupational structure and infrastructure on the eve of independence? That means, what was the occupational structure? Means where people were working, whether they were mainly working in agriculture sector, industrial sector, or in the service sector or tertiary sector. So we will divide the people or this Indian economy at the time of independence. At the time of independence, it is structural occupation where people were working. A brief discussion on each of these points will offer the reader a broad conclusion that the Indian economy was subjected to a massive colonial exploitation during the British rule. That means the answer from these questions was that India was under the colonial rule. It was exploited by the Britishers. the colonial exploitation of Indian economy was so deep rooted that it needed a big push of developmental expenditure supported with a comprehensive developmental planning to put the economy back on the track after independence. Thus, we will the discuss the structure or state of Indian economy when it was left by Britishers because they used it as a colony, exploited its resources for the development of the British. So, after independence, the India needed a comprehensive developmental planning, a big push for development, a great expenditure to expand the economy to put it on the track of development. So these are the questions which we have to discuss in the coming lessons. Now, in the next lessons, in the coming lessons, we will discuss what was the state of agriculture at the time of independence. What was the state of industrial sector at the time of independence? What was the state of foreign sector at the time of independence? And what was the occupational structure at the time of independence? Where were people were working? In which sectors people were working? How much income was coming from different sectors? And also we will go for the infrastructure. What was the state of infrastructure at the time of independence? So these are some of the lessons which we will discuss in the next lectures. Thank you very much.